Hello, I'm Jerry Fort. I got a breakfast bar, breakfast granola bar. Let me put it that way. This is from Nature Valley. They usually have fairly, good priced type breakfast. I don't know if you call them snacks, I guess, maybe. This one here it says extra large, XL. It's a pretty good size bar here. Sweet and salty, chewy granola bars, chocolate, nut, and seed, naturally flavored. 250 calories. Let's see, the ingredients: roasted peanuts, corn syrup, sugar, whole grain oats, roasted sunflower seeds, kernel oil, almonds, semi-sweet chocolate chunks, rice flour, fructose tapioca syrup, cocoa, pumpkin seeds, vegetable glycerin, that is canola oil, soy lecithin, cornstarch, salt, milk, baking soda, natural flavor. Contains peanut, sunflower, almond, soy, and milk ingredients. Partially produced with genetic engineering. Consumed by March 28th of 2019. A lot of ingredients, a lot of natural, nut type ingredients. So let's see. Looks like a nice quality looking bar. Chocolate on the back part, then all your nut and rice and grain and all that ingredients is on the top. I can see, peanuts, almonds, sunflower seeds, oats. I can see a glaze of shininess of the corn syrup. Let's see what we got here. Oh man. Oh, that's good. Medium sweetness. I'm getting the semi-sweet chocolate, corn syrup. It's kind of the outer part of it's kind of hard, just a little bit. And then once you bite into it, you get chewiness. A lot of different kinds of nuts. Make sure you have all your teeth. I don't. Very good. These are good for when you had an early breakfast. You get to the middle part of the day, you're still got a couple hours till lunch. Get that empty feeling in your stomach. You got one of these in your pocket. Tide you over. These things are big, so we got to partner with you. And you like that partner. Say, hey, you want to share this thing? Tide us over till lunch? Yeah, man. That'd be cool, thanks. Very filling with all this ingredients. Would definitely tide you over. And also with all the ingredients, man, you're just like chew, chew, chew. Wow. Yeah. Very good. They're kind of sticky, Yeah, very good. All right. There's a little bit of a cocoa, different chocolate type of a. Very good. Okay, I'm gonna end it there. I thank y'all for watching. Salty. I'm not really getting salty, but very good. Check these out from Nature Valley. General Mills Company. All right, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. See you all in the next one.